Hey guys, we are back again. Okay, let me share to the community so that we'll get started. It's already 6:02. I'm coming. Let me bring my mic. So we're here now again. Let me share this to the community so that we'll get started. Let me share to the community so that we'll get started. I'll share the chat. I haven't shared the chat yet. I'm coming. So bring up your peers, the peers you want us to analyze, any peer you have that you want us to analyze together, just write it on the comment box. So as you are the first person here, I think I'll be starting with you. Just write the peers you're analyzing. So we'll start. Uh, Copy. Okay. Hold on, I'm coming. Let me write it. Okay, Euro USD. All right, I think I'll be starting up with Euro USD. Uh, Let me share the chat so that we'll start right away. Click to join. All right, so we are starting now, and let's see. All right, let me share the charts. Okay, let me share the screen. Let me share the screen. Let me put it on. Okay, you said Euro USD first, so I'll be going to the trading view. We'll be analyzing USD as first. This is GBP USD. Hope you guys can see the chart. This is GBP USD. Sorry, BTC USD. I noticed this was the previous analysis I did. Since BTC broke out of this zone, it started falling. It went all the way to this low, and it causes a reaction to it. That's why price went all the way to this high. But failure to create this high. You notice when price came to this zone, what pattern did they give you? It gave us a bearish confirmation here. It gave us a head and shoulder pattern. This is the first head here. This is the first shoulder level, and this another shoulder level, and this another shoulder level here. So once you have seen this shoulder, sorry, this is the head, and this is another shoulder level. Price came all the way to this particular zone, and this is boom. Price started selling down. So what I'm going to do, I'll clear this analysis. All the analysis, I'm going to clear them, and we'll start again because this is a fresh new week. So we'll be starting with the Euro USD, and we'll be starting with the Euro USD. If you have any pair, drop it so that once I analyze Euro USD, I'll go down to your pair. I think since we're here, let's be working with the people that are here before others will join. So currently on Euro USD. This is currently on Euro USD. And if you notice, this Euro USD is it broke out, it just currently started going up. So what I will do, I'll clean the analysis and we'll go down to start a fresh analysis. All right. So and this is Euro USD. I'll be going down to the daily time frame to look the overall trend of markets. If you notice on the daily time frame, what trend are you seeing in the market? You are seeing a bullish trend. Markets currently making a higher highs. Price currently making came back to this particular low. This lowest level price got on Euro USD daily time frame, and Euro USD started swinging up, created these highs, and then make this low. This is the active low that we have here on Euro USD. So Euro USD make this low on GBP on daily time frame. This is 1.07392. So Euro USD went all the way to 1.07397. There is a key level there. And we're having another low here that price created that causes a swing to the upside, which is about 1.10646. So there's a key level there as well. That price is that have impact in rejecting price. This low, and this high is the highest level that price made, which price is trying to make a pullback. This is a huge rejection. Price is trying to make a rejection at this particular zone, at this particular high. So what I'll do is to go down to the 4 hours time frame to see what the price is actually doing on the 4 hours time frame. So I'm currently on the 4 hours time frame. If you notice on the 4 hours time frame, price went all the way to this 1.1, there's 1.16353. So price went all the way to 1.16353. This is the highest level now it has gone to. So this is the highest level it has gone to on Euro USD. So marking out these highs, and we are going to be marking out this is the key level. This is the zone that we are expecting market to make a pullback from. That will mark from the higher time frame, which is your daily time frame. So marking out this low as well as your key level on the 4 hours time frame. Because once price is able to take out this low, what is it telling you? It's telling you that price is actually going down to the next key low. This low, which is our next key low here, that price will go to, or probably fell down all the way to this particular key level, which is your low, and then before price will start going. This forest currently on the 4 hours time frame. So for those of us that are trading the lower time frame, I'll be going down to the lower time frame, which is your 1 hour time frame, to see the overall view of markets. Let me refresh the chart. If I refresh the chart, this 1 hour time frame, and if you notice price came all the way to this high on 1 hour time frame, you can see it is very massive on the 4 hours time frame. On the 1 hour time frame copy, you see it. So this is the lowest level. Follow up the chart analysis. So this is the lowest level that price got to, and then before price started changing, and you notice price tried to create an equal low here and went all the way to take out this high. So price has taken out this high, telling us that price is currently on an uptrend. Price retraced on this particular highs and then give us a push up. So pushing up, came back to this particular highs, but it haven't broken out this zone as well. So expecting price to actually come at this key level before there will be a pullback. Okay, come at this key level before there will be a pullback. Let me reshare it. I think share. I think it says remove Euro USD allow. So currently back on the chart. If you notice, it's trying to make some pullback here. And then what happened? Price is heading back here. This is an area where you are interested in looking. And if you notice price booking, there's a massive drop at this particular key zone, telling you that price is rejecting here. So there's a massive drop at this particular key zone, telling you that there's a massive drop at this particular key low. This is it. Price came all the way to this particular zone. This is when price broke in and then give us a more sections here. That's why I told you that whenever price come to your key zones, you don't just sell immediately. There are confirmations that you see that will enable you to buy or to sell immediately. You notice price came here. There are multiple rejections on these particular key zones, telling you that in here you must have seen the preferred candlestick pattern that you always go along with. The preferred candlestick pattern that you always go along with. Here I've seen this is a morning evening star, and price came all the way to this particular zone. This is price came here. This is a spinning top and give us another. This is a piercing man, and this is an engulfing candlestick that price gave us last. And this is the bearish move. Price started going down, went all the way to this particular zone. Price first of all, price came here, gave us a low, and went up to break out of this low, giving us this a break of structure that price is actually going down. Came here, make a small this is a double top and went back up So going currently to this high, price coming to this high. If you notice, this high yet have not been broken, giving you giving you that the sellers are still in control of the market. Until this high, we take out let me delete this so that the chart will be very neat. Until this high is going to be taken out, don't forget here is our point of interest where we're looking for a shorting opportunity. Price have already given us a breakout structure here. Price have already given us a breakout structure here, and price came in again, but haven't broken out this high. So we'll be looking for more price to come up to this particular zone before there will be any pullback at this particular key level. So this is 30 minutes time frame. This 1 hour time frame. I think 1 hour time frame will be able to sit where. And same thing goes to the 30 minutes time frame. You see it, it will be it's able to sit because its price breakout, and this is a full breakout. There's a retracement. Price went all the way up and came back again for the second time, but wasn't able to take down this low. And what happened? Price rejected on it, and boom, massive buys to the up. What happened again? Price went all the way, take out this high with this small move here, and price came down. So it's telling you that it's still an uptrend. All you have to just do is to mark out, keep your analysis here, because price can still come in here, and this is a continuation of the buyers. Price can still come in here, and this is it, boom, and then they will buy here before the main sellers can then take in the market. So this is it on Euro USD. So we'll go down to the next one, which someone said here, BTC. So if you have analysis you want me to analyze, you can write it down so that after the next one, I'll go to the other next one. So this is BTC. Let me go down to the BTC. Let's get on the downtrend on the 30 minutes time frame. Let's go down to the daily time frame to see the overall move of this of price. So the downtrend, this is it. I'll refresh the chart. So this is it. I've refreshed the chart, and if you notice, BTC is currently making a downward movement. It's making a downward movement. There's a key level here at 92. So BTC will still drop to 92k dollars, 92, 93k dollars. So expecting more drop on BTC. Expecting more drop on BTC. BTC is going to have more dropping on BTC, and so some people have their key level at this particular zone, having their key level, but I don't add mine here because price can come here. Definitely there will be a retracement here, but that won't be a massive retracement. The main massive retracement is this one that is happening at this key low here. So this is the zone that price is currently going to reject on. You see? Okay, all right, let me share the screen. Sorry, let me reshare the screen. uh okay, stop and sharing. Let me share it. Okay, all right, I hope you can see it now. So currently on our BD, so BTC went all the way to 92. So BTC will be coming at this key level. This is a zone that's actually going to reject BTC. So if you're on daily time frame, this is your key level on daily time frame where BTC will be having impact in the market, pushing the price back up. Hope you can see the chart. So pushing the price up, this is where I'll be looking. And if you notice at this particular key zone, there have been a rejection here multiple times. Price went up, but couldn't break out of this high that it gave us. Price went all the way to this particular high to 111, but couldn't do what price couldn't get up to 111 again. And price went the highest level that price went was the highest level that price went was 110, couldn't go back to 112 before the dropping. Before the dropping. So BTC dropped very massively, dropping back to this particular key zone. This is where I'll be expecting a bullish move on BTC. So expecting a bullish move at this particular key zone on BTC. So let's go down to the 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame, we're having a momentum move. Price gave us this high, and giving us this high. This is where price change direction by taking out this recent low it gave us here. So it took out this recent low. This is when it retested on it. This is when it retested on it, giving us this one as a current high again. So this is a high currently on the 4 hours time frame. This is our high. This is our high. Currently on the 106 is a new high, and we're having another one here at 102. It's another key zone. So price might make a retracement all the way to 102, and before there will be a continuation of the sellers. So all the way to 102 before there will be a quotation of the sellers. And your selling opportunity, take your TP. Okay, here is the zone we're actually expecting the sellers to ride on the markets up to this key level. And then before the buyers can be able to continuously buy. So be looking out for more on a selling opportunity on BTC. So first of all, currently we're on 4 hours. So you don't just go on the 50 minutes and start selling immediately. Price will have to make an approach all the way to this high, and before the sellers will be able to continuously selling. Always wait for your confirmations. When price get to this particular zones, what are the confirmations you have to look out for before you continuously buying or you start selling? Price will come at this key level. Always look for this form. Price will give you this to push down, push up again, and then this is it. Then you join the sellers. No, I'm going to click another thing. All right, price will come. This is your confirmation here. Double top and a head and shoulder. This is how head and shoulder entered aggressively. At times, a head and shoulder will come like this. It will come, give you a push to this zone, come back, give you a push to this particular zone, and this is when price will drop all the way to this low and then move up before there will be a continuation. So in this is what I